When your machine first arrives, it will need updating. To obtain the update, go to the support website, which is support.brother.com, and click on Downloads. If you've been here before, your machine may already appear in a list. However, if not, head into the Cutting Machines section and select your model from the available options. When asked about the operating system, this is to do with the computer that you're downloading through and not the actual machine. Next, click on the Update Software text link, and you will be presented with some information about that update, together with the End User License Agreement, which you will need to agree to in order to obtain the download. Save the download directly to the USB stick that you will be using for the update. Although I have a couple of bits in my USB stick here, it is preferable that the USB stick you use for your update is empty. This gives the machine a better chance of finding it on that USB stick. While the download completes, on this page you will find a good deal of information about the update process, together with an update history charting all of the changes that have happened to the machine over the last few years. So worth a read if you're interested. In the meantime, we will crack on over back at the machine and get our system updated. First, press the power and load map buttons together until this screen appears. You'll see the version number of your software, together with a couple of links. Now insert the USB stick into the USB port on the side of the machine and tap on the USB icon on the screen. Then tap on Update. The machine will now go through the update process. As it updates, it gives you a progress indicator on screen, and when it has completed, it will show you a confirmation message again. Now all you need to do is turn the machine off and remove the USB stick, and you are all updated.